So C Spire Wireless is one of our largest clients in the space of AR. They came to us, and a big challenge they had was we need to create personalized experiences that demonstrate that we're an innovative brand and that we're mobile focused and we get the mobile space. So one of the first couple challenges that they launched with us was they wanted to rethink their sports sponsorship approach. So what we did is we built out an augmented reality application, which is a game, where at that halftime, the in-between inning break, the before game, everyone in the stadium could download the application, hold out their phone, and actually play a game.
The Perks Catch application we developed is the first augmented reality game that incorporates a real-world reward system, like the perk point system that we implemented there.
Trying to play catch with the mascot of the Golden Eagles in augmented reality, an eagle flying through the sky and you're throwing baseballs to it and you got 100 points for everyone it caught. 600 of them, you could take that up to the booth and cash it in for a t-shirt. Or you got 800, cash it in for a sweatshirt, or 1,000 for a jersey, that sort of element. And then if you shared it with your friends or family, you got another 200 points. So maybe you're able to level up to the next larger prize. So at the end of the day, C Spire got applications downloaded on maybe T-Mobile or Verizon phones. Now C Spire actually has awareness in that place on that phone. They're actually able to engage those people, pull them to their booth, give them something branded, a good experience, and collect an email address or get a Facebook fan along the way. A lot of this was opportunities to do some first-time elements where whether they're first time for C Spire or first time in the entire world, like first time college sports had an augmented reality app built.
Unity is a game engine, so what it does is it takes all the hassle out of building 3D scenes and then implementing games inside these scenes. Developing with Unity for mobile was a lot of fun. It takes a lot of the hassle out of setting up 3D scenes and a lot of game logic, and it kind of lets you focus on just what you want to do inside your game and not worry about the nuts and bolts of building it.
Literally, I think it was 2 weeks or a week and a half after the Perks of the Game app went out, another augmented reality app. So on the heels of all the press and all the buzz, we were able to showcase that C Spire is continuing to be innovative and continuing to deliver these great experiences. A game called Perks Catch. And in the TV spots that C Spire Wireless had going to market, there's this woman walking through kind of a field with a mason jar, and she was reaching out into the sky and catching, the parts of the network, which is a big part of C Spire's brand, these blue lights and dots flying through the sky, which represent the network that's always everywhere and always alive from C Spire. And so we took that idea, and what we did was brought it to augmented reality, where you now had a mason jar appearing in augmented reality in your phone, and anytime you looked up in the sky, no matter where you are in the world, you can see the C Spire network. You can actually reach out and try to catch parts of that network. And if you do, and you happen to be lucky enough to catch a part of the network, you can earn perk points. And it's got a little bit of gamification behind it. Every day you can have 4 catches. Your first catch, you might get 10 perk points, and you might choose to release that back into the network, or you might choose to keep it. If you keep it, you get 10 perk points added to your account. If you release it back, you can try again. The ability to create and publish out really, actually they compete with like the EA games, the worlds of the Ubisoft, the quality of these characters. Brands can actually access and pay for those, and it's within their reach and within their budget. We don't want to just build cool technology for the sake of building cool technology. We want it to deliver business objectives.